Hey you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson, and in today's video we are going to create a holographic bottle. So I'm going to show you step by step how to make and create this holographic bottle. This is a super cute and easy baby bottle to do for a boy or a girl. Alright, now with that being said, let's get it. Okay, you guys, we are going to go ahead with the next step with our holographic glitter baby bottle. So you're going to need is your tack it over and over. I will be using this straight from the bottle. Usually I used to mix it with water, but it didn't really, work out for me. So I'm just going to use it straight from the bottle. Okay, you're going to need your holographic glitter. I cannot remember where I got this from. I think I ordered it somewhere off of Etsy. I can't remember. And our bottle has already been prepped and sprayed with primer and has our base coat. So now all I'm going to do is take the tack it and go directly on the bottle. I'm not going to mix it with water this time. I'm just going to put it on there. A thin coat. My heat gun. I'm going to dry this a little bit. Okay, I did not want to contaminate my glitter, so I got a piece of paper to do the next step.